Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to go for a Sunday drive. Okay, the truck is stuck in 4x4 low, so we're going to head home. Thank you for riding along with us on this very brief Sunday drive. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, because thumbs up are super cool. And you too can be super cool if you give a thumbs up to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, what have you been doing? I've been making videos since 2016. And we would certainly appreciate you to go ahead and subscribe. Click the little bell. Thank you. Have a great day now.